hands of an expert, Mr. Chandru. He's been doing it for about 25 years now, and some hammer on all the sharp bends, and then throwing the rest of it with the wheels. He's done all kinds of alloys. He's done all kinds of aluminium rims. He's also done it for a lot of cars as well. Been doing it for 25 years now. A seasoned practitioner, and nothing beats experience. No amount of me trying to figure this out by myself is going to help. You need experienced hands to do these things. Okay. Okay. இந்த பக்கம் போயிடும், இழுத்துரும் ஒரு பக்கம் இழுத்துரும். ஓ, வெர்டிகலி வர ஆரம்பிச்சிரும். இப்படி இல்லாம இப்படி வர ஆரம்பிச்சிரும். ஓகே, எக்ஸாக்ட்லி. அந்த ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கு. அதெல்லாம் அந்த த்ரெட் நம்ம என்ன கரெக்டா பண்றோமோ, இவ்வளவு இத்தனை மர டைப் பண்ணலாம் தமிழ்னா கரெக்டா வந்துரும். அது விஷயம். Yeah, that's done wheel. No side to side oscillation, and no top and bottom jumps. Yeah. There was a little bit of oxidation because of all the washing that is done with salt water. Not the right thing to do, but then what can you do when you live near the shore, near the beach? Yeah, so just painted the insides of the rim. All good. Waiting for it to dry up, and then mount the tires. That is lacing for you fellas. The hands of an expert. These are plated spokes, I believe. They look like stainless steel. They aren't. Electroplated. And yeah. So got the opportunity to see lacing happen. Some idea. That's making a tag, fellas. A tag for the rim tape. Smart. Done and dusted. That's a first. I've never seen that. Mr. Chandru has come up with his own ingenious way of making a tag. That's a first. And that is Mr. Chandru winding up with the tire swap. Wheels screwed, balanced, winding up with putting in the tires and use Alcomodo cross. Well, this wraps up the video. If this helped in any way, it helps. That's all there is to it. I shall see you guys on the next one with a nice action-packed ride. Ciao.